All right. So let's look at another example that involves that requires us to use a product formula. But of course, in this case, it's a product of two trig functions, but they are different trig functions. We have sine 4t, I mean cos 4t, as well as sine 2t. They are two different trig functions, and their angles are totally different. If the angles were the same, it would have been much easier for us to take care of them. But even if the angles are the same, sometimes you might want to use a product formula just to make your work much easier. Okay, so the product formula that connects these two is of this kind. So if you have cos a, okay, if you have cos a multiplied by sine b, okay, this will be equals to 1 over 2, okay, 1 over 2 sine, open bracket, a plus b minus sine a minus b. We close like that. So just a matter of replacing here. So as once I always emphasize this, whatever coefficient that you have here, it has nothing to do with this one. Okay, it has nothing to do with that one. Don't say, okay, I already have it here, so I will just replace with this part. No, what you're going to get is going to be wrong. So we can say we're looking for the integral of I'll say 1 over, in fact that would be 1 over 4. Okay, that would be 1 over 4, because 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, I'll just indicate it this side um, as 1 over 4. We can just put it on the outside, say 1 over 4 here, then integral of, so we're going to say sine, okay, sine a plus b. Our a, this is our a here, and that's our b. So we are saying 4t plus 2t, that would be 6t, okay, minus sine a minus b, 4t minus 2t, that would be 2t dt, of course, there. Okay, so integrating this one, of course we can write them as individual integrals, or I can just integrate it the way it is at this stage. So I can say open bracket here, so integrating this one here, that would be minus cos 6t divided by the derivative of the angle, which is 6, okay, which is 6 here. Then here we're going to have a minus, but keep in mind to say when we integrate this one, it's going to be minus cos, but because of the negative here, they are going to multiply each other out. That would be a positive cos 2t divided by what, divided by 2 here, which is the derivative of the angle. Alright, so just to emphasize once again, this positive, where it is coming from is the fact that I have a minus here. So when I say minus, open bracket, minus cos 2t over what, over 2 here, so this one and that one comes out to be a positive. So, and we can finalize this by saying this would be 1 over, in fact it's minus, I think let me just indicate the positive one on the other side. So let me say 1 over 8, 1 over 8 cos 2t, then I say minus cos 6t divided by 24. Okay, divided by 24 plus c, which is a constant. Okay, so that's how you go about integrating that one. Once again, just remember the product formula and you are good to go.